We are AlgaeNation, and we are working with the Orlando Utilities Commission. Many groups like ourselves are trying to find more ways to push for sustainable processes. We at AlgaeNation have focused our research into carbon capture technology. AlgaeNation is utilizing a pilot scale absorption column where the simulated flue gas is exposed to our chosen solvent at a variety of conditions. These include flow rates for both the liquid and the gas, CO2 composition in the incoming flue gas, and potassium carbonate concentration in our solvent. Through this, we will find the optimal conditions for CO2 absorption. Currently, AlgaeNation has completed 2 sets of experimental runs and has found a set of optimal operating conditions for our process. This includes a 15% concentration of potassium carbonate in our solvent, a 15% concentration of carbon dioxide in our incoming flue gas, and a flow rate ratio of 57 liters per cubic meter. AlgaeNation utilized this information to conduct a techno-economic assessment of our carbon dioxide absorption process. This determined the feasibility of our process. The techno-economic assessment was performed by first determining the cost of our process on an industrial scale. Then, we compared the cost of our industrial process with ExxonMobil's carbon capture technology, Global Thermostat. Finally, we determined the profitability of our process by the extent to which our process aids in the production of algae, which can then be converted into animal feed for profit. AlgaeNation has also developed standard operating procedures to conduct experiments quantifying how long our solvent can retain CO2 within it, how much CO2 algae can uptake from our solution, and finally the effects of other chemicals on our chosen solvent solution. Ultimately, this process addresses Orlando Utility Commission's goal to mitigate and commoditize carbon waste by performing optimization experiments on a bench scale absorption column.